This Father's Day, Common Core families gathered at Cons Tutorial where we presented dedicated fathers with medals and certificates to celebrate the role that fathers play in our lives. Countless Cons professionals started their journey at Cons since childhood. Today they are your Ivy League grads, doctors, lawyers, educators, artists, and more. Fathers have been in the picture since day one. Many brought their children to Cons for state exams, summer classes, SHSAT, SAT, college admissions, and more. The hard work of families earned students a perfect 4 out of 4 on their English and math state exams. At Cons, we are creating a network of fathers of high-achieving individuals to ensure the sharing of their best practices. So on this Father's Day, let us honor and express our deepest gratitude to these extraordinary fathers. May their efforts continue to inspire us all. Happy Father's Day.